progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Khasi tribe, the main indigenous group calling home to the Indian state Meghalaya, is a matrilineal community linked to the people of Southeast Asia. Khasis are one of the oldest and largest tribes. They are one of the last remaining matrilineal cultures worldwide. The women in this community not only control the property and inheritance but also dominate public spaces. In their culture, women have a high standing. Here, the youngest daughter of the family owns the property. Daughters have the liberty to live in their ancestral home or move out, except for the youngest daughter, who is the custodian of the property. Even after her marriage, she never leaves home. She looks after her parents and eventually becomes the head of the household after her mother's death. Another fascinating tradition that has been practiced for centuries in this community is matrilineal residence, which means that after marriage, the husband moves in with the wife's family. Unlike the rest of the world, the children here are given the last name of their mother. In comparison with mainland Indians, Khasis live an entirely different lifestyle. They are also known as children of the seven huts. What do you think about other parts of the world adapting to these traditions? Let us know your views in the comments below.